If you're floofy and you know it, do a speak. If you're floofy and you know it, do a speak. If you're floofy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're floofy and you know it, do a speak.
A man's best friend, ladies and gentlemen. He's getting a bottle for his owner. This is so sick. I love dogs. Oh, he dropped it. You got it, bud.
There you go.
You got it. Yep. You got it, girl. Go ahead. Wow.
Oh, that was amazing.
I love dogs, dude.
Bang, bang. Bang, bang. He did it! Good boy, Cotton. Good boy. Good boy.
You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away.
No, 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 no. ¿Ese es tu sentado? No. Oh my God. No. No. Qué bello tú.
So when Poppy was first adopted, she was kind of on the skinny side. And over time, she put on a little bit of weight. You know, she got a home, she got comfortable. So I started noticing she was getting chunky, and I was like, okay, you know, maybe I'm feeding her something wrong. Maybe something's going on that I'm doing wrong. So I take her to the vet, and the vet gives me this.
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock struck wrong.
Go ahead, Walker. I'll go play a game. Oh, you gonna take her home?
I'm out with your bitch and I only want knowledge. She got a little malice. I beat your ass up all in front of your fathers and children. The type to let niggas think that I'm broke until I pop out with a million.
Hey, boy. What's up?
Oh, you get mad now.
I'm there.
Oh. Hey, Annie. You see?
I feel like he could just say over the whole thing. What do you want?
Are you sure? Tell her what you want. Tell her.
I heard this.
He wants a beer.